Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will focus on learning a step-by-step guide to citing textual evidence. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, explain the meaning of text evidence. Text is written work. Evidence is proof. Text plus evidence is citing proof in the reading. Hence the name textual evidence. Number 2, read through the text thoroughly. It is helpful to read through the text independently and then together with a partner. Number 3, introduce race or ace. The R stands for restate, answer, cite, and explain. Let's go over the ACE acronym. A stands for answer the question. Answer all parts of the question in a complete sentence. Use words from the question. C. Cite evidence. Use a detail or example to support your answer. Quote from the text. E. Explain and expand. Explain why this evidence supports your answer in your own words. Expand using supporting details. And now let's go over the RACE acronym. The R stands for restate the question. Restate or reword the question and turn it into a statement. A. Answer the question. What is being asked? Answer all parts of the question. C. Cite the source. Tell where you found examples and details in the text. For example, in paragraph 2, it states, or the text mentions the following. You can even say, the author states. E. Explain. Explain your response by giving evidence from the text to support your answer. Add your thoughts using the following. For example, this example shows, I believe. And those are just a few examples. You can use more in your explanation. Let's go over some examples. R. Restate the question in the answer. Example, why did Paul Revere ride through the towns? Answer, Paul Revere rode through the towns because, and then you would explain your answer. Here, we restated the question in the answer. Restate the question in your answer if you're using ACE by using prior knowledge. When a reader has previous experience or has already read about a particular topic, they will have some insight or knowledge to the topic before reading it. Having prior knowledge on a topic will help the reader comprehend it better than someone with no prior knowledge. It is almost like having the upper hand if someone is already familiar with a topic. It provides extra support to the reader's thinking process. Activating prior knowledge. Think about what you already know from other stories and experiences. Use your knowledge to make connections to specific examples in the story to help you understand the story. Making inferences. An inference is an educated guess. When making an inference, be sure to read between the lines. Making an inference is reading facts and evidence to reach a logical conclusion or opinion. Using questioning to infer. Ask questions. Ask questions as you read to make inferences about what is happening in the text. Ask why questions. Ask why questions to help you infer. Avoid asking questions with one word answers. Answer your questions. Collect story evidence to answer the questions you asked as a reader. Now, make an inference to find the responses. What is the text trying to tell you without coming right out and writing it out word for word? The author wants me to think. I'm guessing because. Do I need to change my thinking? Ask yourself these questions while you're reading. Cite evidence in the text to support your thoughts or opinions. When answering questions about a reading assignment, look back at the text and find proof for the answers within the text. Highlighting the text is an effective approach to marking and finding the evidence. So get your highlighters ready. Explain your answer with evidence by paraphrasing or directly quoting. Paraphrasing, the author explains, the text shows, use wrap, read, ask yourself questions, put the information in your own words. And that's a wrap. Again, read, ask yourself questions, put the information in your own words. Paraphrasing, translate something into your own words. Use wrap, read, ask yourself, what is the main idea, key words, and important details? Put the information in your own words. Quoting, the author says, the text states, quoting is copying exactly what the author is saying in your answer. Make sure to use quotation marks. Here is an example of race. Franklin was a well-known man in the Revolutionary times. He was a statesman, author, publisher, scientist, inventor, and diplomat. He helped launch a library, hospital, and college. Franklin also helped draft the Declaration of Independence. Question 1. Was Benjamin Franklin a patriot or loyalist in the Revolutionary War? Restate. In the Revolutionary War, Benjamin Franklin was a answer. Benjamin Franklin was a patriot. Cite. Highlighted and numbered above. Explain. Since only patriots drafted the Declaration of Independence and the author states that Benjamin Franklin helped draft it, he must have been a patriot. Race. Restate, answer, cite, explain. In order to cite, highlight the information and remember the page number and the paragraph number because that will come in handy when you are citing your information. Again, let's do a race checklist and let's see if you have the following in your writing. Restate the question, answer all parts of the question, cite the text, explain how your citation supports your answer. Race. I hope you found this video helpful. In this lesson, we learned how to cite textual evidence using a step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.